Steve here, Shen RC, and I just got something in today. I want to show you guys what it is. I'm going to open it up here. Actually got two of them here. A little banged up. I got two of these kits. This is the SG-1203. This is the Ripsaw tanks. These are the kit versions. I got two of them. They were on sale at Banggood. They were like 24 bucks. I'll leave the link below for these in my video description. So I picked up two of them. I'm gonna probably build one and paint it a different color. I was thinking like maybe fluorescent bright green or something. That's if everything's intact. But here's the kit. It comes with everything but the radio and electronics. Let's see what's inside. I actually got them for spares too because it was a lot cheaper to get a tank kit instead of buying all separate parts. If you ever break anything, you're better off just buying a tank kit and saving it to the side. That way you'll have all the parts, road wheels, everything, and it's a lot less money than if you buy everything separate. Here's the manual. It lists all the parts. Shows you how to put it all together. Looks pretty good. So that's that. And here it is, guys. Big box of parts. Let's go over the parts real quick. This is some body parts, springs, metal parts, screws, LED lighting, upper doors, front suspension with the road wheels. Here's some more of the road wheels for the sides. The drive sprockets, you gotta screw these together. Front and rear bumper and the lights for the rear. Another front road wheel assembly. This looks like all the clear glass parts in this bag here. The lower hull, the battery cover, upper hull, some more road wheels. These are the upper wheels, the ones that the tops of the tracks ride on. Shock parts. We got roll cages. This is the front bumper assembly. We got the interior. rubber tracks. These are the upper road wheels. And there she is. We got the gearbox. The reason why I purchased these kits, I'm probably going to build one and then I'm going to save one aside for parts, because like I said in the beginning of the video, it's a lot cheaper to buy the kit for the parts, because if you buy a few parts separate, it'll be more money than the kit. So it's good to have a kit set aside in case you break road wheels or the gearbox. You get the tracks and everything like that. So I'm going to see what I do with these. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in. And like always, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support and the comments on my videos. Hit that thumbs up and also hit that bell for future videos. I really like these tracked vehicles. I got a lot of videos on these, so check them out. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you next time.